For this short guided meditation, I please ask you to close your eyes, to come into the breath and breathe as you normally would breathe, but with the awareness now of yourself inhaling and exhaling. And again, inhale. We're really setting the space here. Exhale. Creating the space for this meditation. For this meditation, we'll activate our chakras and our DNA. And when we come into this meditative space, we feel calm and at peace, with our heart calm and focused, realizing the breath is a constant flow, breathing this body. As you calm the mind and come into this space, imagine, if you will, that you are standing in a beautiful garden. The garden is full of the most beautiful green grass, tall trees, and colorful flowers. It is a place of calm and serenity. And although this place is new to you, on some level, it feels familiar, as if you have been here before. It feels safe. You feel as though this place is an aspect of your true home. As you take in the natural, breathtaking beauty of this garden, you notice, over in the far right corner, what looks like an entrance to a cave. This is no ordinary cave, you notice, but a cave made of the purest, brightest blue crystal. It is truly breathtaking. You notice how the sun shines upon the blue crystal of the cave, and you feel somehow this cave is beckoning to you, calling you forward. You start to walk towards the entrance of the cave. When you arrive at the entrance of the cave, you notice it is even more beautiful close up. Although the cave is made of this glorious, bright blue crystal, there are tiny turquoise crystals and clear diamonds inside the blue crystal, all around the mouth of the cave. The feeling here is one of cleansing, purging, and rebirthing. You walk inside. Natural sunlight fills the cave as you walk inside. Even though there does not seem any way for the sun to shine, it does shine, and the view is one of breathtaking beauty. The feel within the cave is of calm, peace, serenity, and safety. You notice a small pool of crystal clear water. The water has a blue color to it. As the sunlight reflects from the blue crystal ceiling of the cave, there are crystals everywhere, and it is reflective, so bright. There is a golden goblet on the side of the rock pool. It is an ancient magic chalice of the purest gold. You pick up the chalice and look inside, and you notice some gray liquid sitting at the bottom of the chalice. As soon as you see this gray liquid, you know instantly that it is energy you have been holding on to. Energy from past romantic relationships, and indeed present romantic relationships if they no longer serve you. You know that this energy is physical, and you know it is now time to let it go, to wash it away, to free yourself. You wash the golden chalice in the blue, clear water. After washing the chalice in the beautiful water, you once again look inside. Now you see a light brown liquid inside the chalice. You know instantly that this is energy from past romantic relationships, and indeed present romantic relationships that no longer serve you. You know that this energy is emotional, and now it is time to cleanse this emotional energy away that you have been holding on to. You wash the golden chalice in the crystal clear blue water. After washing the chalice in the rock pool, you look inside once more and see a dark red fluid. You instantly know that this energy is left over from past romantic relationships and from present romantic relationships that no longer serve you. You know deep inside that it is time to free the mind and the thoughts from these energies that you have been holding on to. And you wash the golden chalice a third time in the water of the pool. Once more, you look inside the chalice and you see a cloudy blue liquid. You know that this is the spiritual energy that you have been holding on to from past romantic relationships and from present romantic relationships that no longer serve you. You know that it is time to release these connections and ties and move beyond karma and enforced reincarnation into choice, conscious choice about your own soul trajectory. You wash the golden chalice in the clear blue waters of the rock pool. You look inside the chalice and your heart is filled with joy. Every cell in your body sings with the freedom and the release of the purging that has just taken place. The vessel no longer contains energy remnants from past romantic relationships and present romantic relationships that no longer serve you. The chalice is empty, save for the glint of pure gold. The vessel is now pure, purged, and clear. You know that the only energy it will now contain is your own energy, pure energy of choice and the energy of conscious relationships with those who mirror all that is you. You know that you can transmute the energy from the like-minded, conscious romantic relationships within the natural, cyclical flow that abounds through the earth. You are free to begin again, a fresh page within new romantic relationships that fit your energy frequency and that are part of your blueprint. This may be an upgrade of your present relationship as the twin flame potentials are birthed between you. Or it may be a new meeting that shall lead to the sacred hand fasting or the divine marriage in physical form. Whatever may be the journey from now, you know you are free, purged, released, unburdened, fresh, and whole. The blue crystal cave has called you, and you have been cleansed. As you replace the golden chalice upon the rock and leave the crystal blue cave, you know you have been through a rebirthing process, and indeed you feel reborn. Now in the garden are butterflies. Butterflies everywhere, of every color, and of such beauty. They fly before you and around you. They land on the grass, the trees, and the flowers. They are so beautiful, and the mere sight of them fills your heart with wonder and with joy. When it is time to leave the garden, you know instinctively that you can return here anytime you desire, for this place is yours. It has been found by you, the secret garden in the crystal blue caves of purging, cleansing, rebirthing, and transformation. You now return to your physical body, retaining the fresh, new feeling of having been reborn. You feel happiness, joy, and peace, and you become aware of your physical body. You become aware of your feet, your legs, your torso, arms, neck, and head. You stretch or move to do whatever is comfortable. And now, moving out of the state you know as meditation, allow your awareness to move back into the physical dimension and the waking experience, feeling refreshed, rejuvenated, balanced, and clear. And so it is. It is done. Namaste.